Those flyers are sleek, right? And they were all generated using artificial intelligence. Free tools, precisely. One beautiful thing I like about AI is the fact that it has broken all barriers. You don't need to complain anymore because AI can literally do everything for you. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your own flyers using just ChatGPT and of course, Nano Banana. By the way, if you've not liked this video, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video, implement, and follow me on social media. So first things first, we're going to head over to ChatGPT, and this is the free plan, and we are going to be making use of Flow. Now, I advise you make use of the Nano Banana inside Flow because that one doesn't come with watermark. I've mentioned this severally, and as you can see, it requires 0 credits. So let's just use that. There are 2 ways to actually create this. You can get ideas from Pinterest. When you go over to Pinterest, you can just search for flyer. For whatever flyer you want to work on, just search for it and then Pinterest will give you an idea. So once Pinterest gives you an idea, all you have to do is you can click on it. Let me see. Okay. I like this. So we can click on this and then we would download it, and then you take it over to Google Gemini. Google Gemini is also free. You upload the image. By the way, if this is your first time on this channel, my name is RIRAH Ismaila, aka RIRAH Creates, and all I do here is teach you how to create AI content and of course monetize them. So all we have to do is click on this icon and then we would save the image as. So download the image. Now there are different ways you can do this. You can either create your image from the scratch and then you upload that as a reference image. Probably you want an image or you want a flyer that has to do with a model. You can just create your own image using Nano Banana. So I'm going to upload the image and I'll set this to Pro. So the prompt would be as simple as give me the exact prompts used in creating this flyer. We'll get the exact prompts, but then you can still head over to ChatGPT and then you give ChatGPT a role. You give it a role, you give it an instruction. You know how I talk to AI and how I also encourage you to talk to AI, and you could tell it to give you in JSON prompts. Now JSON prompting is more like a code kind of prompt, and it's one of the most effective ways of getting outputs using when you're dealing with LLMs. I'm going to tell you to give me JSON prompts. So just listen to what I'm about to say. Okay, I need you to act as a brand strategist that has created outstanding flyers, outstanding banners for top brands all over the world. Your brand, your designs, your images, your graphics have all been featured on billboards in different parts of the world. Using this particular responsibility I've given to you, I need you to give me 5 different prompts to create scroll-stopping top-notch flyers for, first of all, a birthday party. The first one would be a birthday party. Note I'm going to be needing, just give me a chic looking 25-year-old lady as a celebrant. She's 26 years old. It's her 26th birthday, and then it's going to be happening on the 20th of April 2026. You know, just pick a location, just something sleek, and I need it to scream luxury. You can add gradients, just make it sleek. That's the first one. The second one would be for a brand that sells food. Now this brand sells different types of Nigerian dishes. It's like a restaurant. So you're going to write a list of this, and then I need the images of the food and drinks. Then the third one would be for a kiddies brand. Now they deal in kiddies wears, toys, everything that has to do with kids. they deal with that. And the fourth one would be for a real estate firm. Now, this is going to contain houses. It's going to be really top notch. You know how real estate flyers are like. And then for the fifth one, I would need for a farm that's a poultry farm that also sells different types of eggs from a poultry farm that's that trains chickens, turkey, ducks, also quails, guinea fowl, even ostrich, and then the eggs are available for sale. Now, for the brands that would require names, you can use RIRAH, spelled RIRAH. Note, I need this to be sleek. I don't know what you would do to make it perfect, but it has to be outstanding. You could add boxes, just make it sleek. Take ideas from Pinterest. You see how those flyers are on Pinterest? They are sleek and top notch. Take ideas from there. Additionally, the font has to be perfect. The color combination has to be top notch. The prompt should be given to me in JSON style. Even the prompts in JSON style, and I want nothing but African characters fully used in this. You understand? So it's just me explaining. If you know how I do my prompting, this is how I do it. I'll just explain what I want to achieve, and AI will do it for me. So here we have the prompts. This is the exact. I can't provide the exact prompt or source code for this flyer. Okay, a promotional material. Okay, but it still gave us an idea. So we're just going to copy this. I want us to create it so we'd see if it's similar. So you can select your aspect ratio. Let me use 3:4, and let me use ×3. So we can just select from the three of them. And like I said, Nano Banana is free. By the way, if you've not liked this video, kindly click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, your family, and anybody who is interested in learning AI content creation. And of course, if you want to take AI content creation a step further, I also take one-on-one classes. You can just send me an email or send me a DM on social media. Check my description and then you see my social media handles. Okay, so back to what we were doing with ChatGPT. Finally, you know what my fear was? There are times I would actually prompt, like I would give the entire audio to ChatGPT. At the end of the day, it doesn't transcribe it. Has it happened to you before? Happened to me multiple times, so I was just scared. So this is a JSON prompt. It comes in a code style. Now there are different types of prompts. There's timestamp prompting. I tend to use timestamp prompting a lot when I'm doing product ads. There's timestamp prompting, there's timeline prompting, there's JSON prompting, there's chain of thoughts, and a whole lot of that. So these are the prompts that we are getting. Back to this. Woo! 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 Okay. So logo flyers free. This text isn't supposed to be here, but this is sleek. So let's just say you wanted to create something for a party. You can get the idea, but still reasonably, meaning that you don't have to use the exact color. I use the exact color because I wanted you to see the fact that Gemini could actually give you an idea of the prompt you could use to replicate the same content. So if you're going to recreate anything, please don't just copy and do everything exactly. Just do something that is different. So this is theirs and that's ours. So we're going to just begin to create our flyer. So these are the prompts. So now for your creations, you can actually use any LLM to get your prompts. You grab, right? You can use ChatGPT, you can use DeepSeek, you can use Claude AI, you can use Perplexity. So most times I prefer using ChatGPT and Claude because they really give me an extensive prompt. So I'm just going to stack up what we are creating. Let me change the aspect ratio. So you can pick whatever aspect ratio you want to work with. Tari's 26th birthday. So this is nice. It's actually nice. And the beautiful thing I like about this is it doesn't come with any watermark. All you have to do is download it. And if you want to probably add more designs to it, you can take it over to maybe Canva or Adobe and add more to it. But this is cool. Jollof rice, coconut, palm oil. Another thing I need you to notice, if you were creating a food flyer, for example, I would advise you create the food images first. Then you know how you can upload images, multiple images. You upload it and then you tell AI that using these reference photos creates this. You get, right? You understand? So it's best you do it that way so you can actually capture the realism of the food. And then this is for the farm. This is for the real estate. Let's try for other brands, and I'm going to emphasize on 16:9 aspect ratio. So another thing I need you to notice, if you are listening, you'd hear me emphasizing on the fonts and then the colors. That's because there are certain colors that work well with flyers. Real estate flyers have you see this feel. You cannot be creating children flyers and then you're using dark colors like black and the rest. Colorful colors, playful fonts, and the rest of that works well when you're creating flyers for kids. That's why I'm always emphasizing on that. Okay. Now when I was talking about colors and fonts. You can see it here, right? Let me reuse the prompt and let me create in 1:1 aspect ratio. So sometimes you might create the first one and it doesn't suit what you want. You still have to go back again to recreate. Hope you've liked this video. Hope you subscribe to my channel. And then I'm also going to leave a link to my seller store. You can shop there. Definitely you find one or two things that interest you. I would have to reprompt this again. But nah, just take your time to do yours. This one looks like one of those Canva designs. So just be creative. And that's exactly how you can create simple flyers. Get the idea. I know you can really do so much. So get the idea, craft something, go to Pinterest, get ideas, and then you create something that's top notch. This is day 13 of our AI 30 days content creation class. That's how you can create flyers using AI. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.